Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, what are you drawing this?
I'm drawing whatever I want, but I'm drawing ghost. Stop share the screen. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Stop this now.
It's from Muhammad Ali's screen.
Wait.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Yeah, now it's done. Yeah. Oh, Sidra. Lovely, Sidra. Mohammad Ali, turn on your camera. We'll wait for 5 minutes more, right? Kids have started taking, started holiday from today only.
This is our last day of class.
Yes. Last day of maths. Tomorrow vacation will start. What are you going to do then? Let me also put some filters. Even I should do it.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Let me try.
don't like this one. This one.
Let me try. No, I don't like this. You should, nobody should like that. What's this? Kogil. Oh. How about this? No. This? This?
Ma'am,
Light.
I also pick this.
Oh,
I also pick
specs
this.
on specs. Look at this. How about this? What's this? That's quite blurred. No. Oh, this is nice. Wow, what's that? Studio effect. Oh, wow.
Ma'am, put your head down. There's a plant on your head. Ma'am.
Wow. Oh, Mohammad Ali, looking so cool. Let me also change it.
I'm in Brazil, ma'am.
Video filter. Oh, wow, so many are there. What about this? What's this? Oh, okay. No, I'm not feeling sleepy. Oh. What's this? Hat. Oh, look at this.
Oh.
My God.
I read.
This is looking cool on me, right?
Yes.
This is also looking good. How about this? Oh, that's a little flower. No, I don't like tattoos and stickers. That's so cool. Virtual backgrounds. I have none. Okay, what is that?
And you even need a green screen.
Okay. That's so cool. Okay.
But
Okay.
so
Umaima
I-
also came. Umaima, where were you last Wednesday? Yeah, Umaima.
last Wednesday.
We enjoyed so much. Did you see the movie?
Ma'am, last Wednesday there was an event.
Okay. Mustafa. Good
Ma'am,
morning.
you missed the game.
Remember,
you missed
the movie. Ma'am.
Yeah, I
She,
know.
she missed the movie. She missed the game. Right?
But I made the game.
You made a game. So today you want to play that?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Can you
And
turn
then
on your
share
camera,
them, ma'am.
Umaima? Let me see you first.
Ma'am, in this device, the camera does not work.
Which device?
In the device I am in.
Okay. Yeah, Sidra, what were you saying? Then how will you play game?
I can speak.
Okay, but I think the videos have a different effect. Yeah, Sidra?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. Umar, turn on your camera. Mustafa, turn on your camera. Mohammad Ali is looking very cute. How are you, Yusuf? Fine? Umar to everyone. What, Umar? You want to sing a song? Yeah, Umar? Do you want to sing a song? And how about Manha? Why she is not attending the class? Okay. Umaima, the questionnaire, the games and all, we can take it for the last 5 minutes. Okay, Umaima? Because already on Wednesday, we haven't done anything in maths. Oh my
Okay.
God. Yeah. So right now I can't. Oh, wow. Look at Mustafa. That day he was in Pathani, Yusuf, and today Mustafa, I guess. Yeah, Mustafa, show me your dress. Show me your attire. Oh, I thought you're in t-shirt only. Okay, no issues. Anyways, then too you're looking cool. Well, Manha.
Yes.
Good morning. Where were you last Wednesday? Even you were not there. Humaira had such a lovely game.
My network issue.
What? Network issue.
Network issue.
Okay. Fatafat, we will do what? Maths, we will complete it. The number line form. Chunking method, I'll start when we are back from vacation. Okay, I won't start today. Then we will play games. Is it fine? Yeah, it's the last session now. So tomorrow I won't put, today I won't put so much burden on you. First, we will do maths fast. I want everyone to concentrate. Chalo, fast, huh? Let me first.
Ma'am, you will give assignment on math for the holidays.
What? What are you saying? What?
For the holidays, you will give some assignments.
I will. You'll get it on Saturday, Sunday. But you won't get much because anyways, good you made me remember. You kids have not submitted your fraction assignment yet. Right?
Ma'am, I did it. Ma'am, I did it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did it. Ma'am, I did it using fractions.
Okay. What about others? What about others?
Ma'am, I did it.
Okay, Umaima, I'll check it because
Ma'am, I
tomorrow is
did.
Saturday and I'll be free. So tomorrow I'm going to
Ma'am, I
upload a
did.
new assignment and I'll check yours and I'll return to you. Okay. Anyways, I return your assignment on Saturday, Sundays only if you have observed. Right? Okay. Should we start now? Don't yawn. You're in maths class. Okay. Now I'm not going this table again because we have done a lot of times. a lot of times. Now, I want someone to answer me, what is the largest remainder that you can have when you divide a number by 4? Yeah. Mariam, that day, what did you ask me? Is 2 divisible by 6? Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah. How is 2 divisible by 6, beta? Tell me. Look, these two have a different meaning.
It was an even number.
Wait. You know, these two have a different meaning. 6 divisible by 2 means what? Can anybody tell me? Can anyone tell me? What is the meaning of 6 is divisible by 2? What does that mean? What?
If two is divisible by any number, so 6 is also divisible.
As 2 comes in 6 table.
Does 6 comes in 2's table? That's what you mean.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Now tell me
Yes.
what is the meaning of this sentence. Now tell me what is the meaning of this sentence. This is Elna.
As 2 comes in 6 table.
So is it correct? This statement is correct? Tell me.
No.
So this is wrong.
No.
The answer
6
will be
is
no.
divisible
It
by
has
2.
nothing to do with even numbers, Mariam. Mariam, are you getting me? Mariam. Okay, have you understood the difference? What I'm trying to teach you? Yes. A bigger number comes in a smaller number, smaller numbers table. How is this possible? Yes, 2 and 6 both are even numbers. I totally agree on this. 2 and 6 are both are even numbers. But your question should be, is 2 and 6 are even number? Then I can say yes or no. But if you are asking me this and expecting answer even number, so that is the wrong path, na? Okay. Have you understood? Okay. It's good she came up with this. I like her question a lot. I liked her question a lot. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me? We did this many times. This table, I am not doing the table again. What's the problem? Yeah. Yeah. Mohammad Ali, are you there? The coolest guy in the class right now with great backgrounds and filters. Yeah. What is the largest remainder that you can have when you divide a number by 4? We did it. I tell you the logic.
And what you mean?
Okay. Okay. What do I mean? Good question. Very nice question. He didn't understand, so he asked me. That's what I expect from you people. If you don't understand, ask. That is all maths is all about. Remember, Muhammad Ali, we did this. Do you remember?
Yeah. Yes, we did this.
Yes. Then, if you divide the number 31 by 4, what would be the remainder? Now, I'm not going to question part.
The remainder.
1.
Yeah, the remainder would
Am
be
I right?
one.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right? How 1?
Yes.
How 1? Am I right? Yeah, Yusuf, am I right? Yusuf, am I right? No. I took 1 means I am thinking 30 is divisible by 4. Is it correct? 30 comes
No.
in 4's table.
No.
Then which number which is less than 31 comes in 4's table? Tell me.
16.
28.
28. Nearest number.
28.
28. And how many is 4? How many is 28? 7 are. Then what will be the remainder? Tell me what will be the remainder.
0.
No.
31. 3.
3. Who said that?
Oh, mama.
Lovely. 3. Now your remainder is what? Tell me what is the remainder? 0. Because 32 is totally
0.
divisible by 4. Now,
Yeah.
Sidra, you tell me. 33 is divisible by 4.
No.
Then which number is divisible by 4 which is nearest to 33?
32.
And 4, how many is 32?
8 reminder 1.
8.
What, ma'am?
And what is the remainder? 8 za, 4 za. What is the remainder?
1.
1. Are you understanding, Sidra?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me over here. 34 divisible by 4? Is 34 divisible by 4?
No.
So, which is a number which is less than 34 and divisible by 4? Nearest
32.
4, how many is a?
8 remainder 2.
32.
Remainder?
2.
Look, here, Mohammad Ali, you only have to answer. Look, here the logic is, what is the divisor over here? I taught you, na? When you take this number, for example, 32 divided by 8. This is your number. Can anyone tell me what is dividend over here? Can anyone tell me what is dividend over here?
4.
Yeah, dividend I'm asking.
32.
32 is dividend. What about divisor?
4.
4. What is the divisor? 4. When, yes, this is known as divisor. When your divisor, okay? I'm just writing this so that it becomes clear to you. Okay. Now, what is the divisor over here? Can you tell me? What is the divisor?
4.
So, the largest remainder you'll have for 4 is 3. Just minus 1. What you'll have?
3.
Now, tell me for 5. Tell me for 5, Mohammad Ali. You will tell me.
What, man?
What will be the largest remainder when you divide a number by 5? You just have to subtract 1. Subtract 1.
Will be only 1.
No, subtract 1 from 5, from the given divisor. What is it? 4. Now tell me what will be the largest remainder if you divide any number by 6?
5.
5. From the given divisor, subtract 1 number. If you solve this, you will get it. If you want, I'll show you over here. Now tell me for 35. 4. Tell me 4. What will give me 35? Is there? Can I get 35? No. A number which is nearest to 35. 32. 8. Tell me what would be the remainder? Tell me what would be the remainder? 3. Now, yes. Now is 36 divisible by 4?
Yes.
36, yes. 9, sir. And what is the remainder? What is the remainder? 0. Now about 37. Is 37 divisible by 4? No.
36. But 9 remainder will be 1.
Now tell me. Remainder 1.
Remainder will be 1.
Now here also 9. Remainder 2. What about this? 9. Remainder 3. Now the last one is 10. Now tell me one thing. What is the highest remainder over here? When your divisor was 4, what is the highest? 3. Wow.
7.
That's what I told you. If your divisor, whatever is your divisor, and if they are asking you what could be the remainder, highest remainder for that divisor, so your answer will be what? Divisor minus 1. If I ask you for 7, any number divided by 7, what will be the largest remainder? Can anyone tell me?
6.
Yes. Who said that? Who said that? Very nice. Let me give you one more number. 8. If any number divided by 8, what would be the largest remainder? What would be the largest remainder?
7.
Who said that? 7? Yeah, it's right. Yusuf, now you have to answer me for this. If your divisor is 11, if you're dividing any number by 11, what would be the largest remainder? Yeah, Yusuf, tell me.
7.
How 7?
Ma'am,
You just have to minus 1
Six.
from given divisor.
Ma'am, 6.
No,
Ma'am, 6.
wrong.
Ma'am,
Mohammad Ali.
10.
No.
10.
Mohammad Ali, you answer. What will be the largest remainder? If you divide any number by 11.
man?
What would be the largest remainder if you divide any number by 11? Manha, please stop it, Manha. Don't give chorus answer. Yes, Mustafa, but you cannot give chorus answer. I want Mohammad Ali to answer. Yeah, Mohammad Ali. What would be the largest remainder? when you divide any number by 11. You don't have to do anything. You have to simply minus that number from the divisor. Simply minus 1 from 11. Are you understanding, Mohammed Ali? Now let's take 12. Mariam, you tell me. I am dividing my number by 13. 13. What will be the largest remainder?
3. Ma'am,
Yusuf, can you tell me?
yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what will be the largest remainder if I divide any number by 13?
12.
Yes, very good, Yusuf. I want Umar to answer. Umar, are you there? Yeah, Umar?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me what will be the largest remainder if I divide any number by 13? Right now, Yusuf said. Right now.
12.
Now, Umar, I'm giving you one more number. My divisor. I'm dividing any number with 15. What would be my what would be my largest remainder? No one will answer except for Umar. What will be my largest remainder?
Can you tell everyone to mute? I cannot hear anyone.
Okay. Everybody mute yourself first. Kids are, others are not understanding. Please mute yourself. Let everyone should get chance to understand, na? Right? Done? Is it? Okay. Okay. Now, Muhammad Ali, listen carefully. What am I saying? Look, whenever
I left the meeting, so I don't understand for.
Who left the meeting? I'm there only. Who left
Ma'am,
meeting?
I left because of the
Okay, you left. I thought, ma'am, you left meeting. I'm like, where did I leave? Okay. Wait,
That's
let
why
me
I missed
just.
30 seconds.
Now look. Now who all have not understood, I'm just explaining them once again. Look. Let me clear this out. Where is the Muhammad Ali? Look, whenever they ask you what is the largest remainder that you can have when you divide any number by 4. So you just have to simply minus 1 from that number. That's your largest remainder. Have you understood now, Muhammad Ali? So what would be the largest remainder over here?
3.
What about over here? Tell me.
5.
5.
Ma'am, tell Mana to mute. I want to answer. And the 9th one is 8.
Yeah. Please, everyone first mute yourself. Yeah. Now listen, Muhammad Ali, 9. What would be the largest remainder when you divide any number by 9?
8.
Just minus 1 from this. What you'll get?
8.
Yes. Now Umar will answer. Have you understood now? If I'm taking 15.
Yes.
Yeah, 15. 15. What would be the largest remainder if I divide any number by 15?
14.
Umar will reply. 14.
Yeah, I only said 15.
Very nice, Umar. Very nice. And if you want, if you are not getting it, you can solve this whole table for yourself. You know, you can solve this whole table and you'll get it. In this table, what you'll get?
Which table, ma'am?
This table, which we have done so many times, this table, you'll observe when you divide these numbers by 3, when you divide these numbers by 3, the largest remainder you'll get is, you'll get always 2. You just observe it. And over here, what you'll get? Over here, what you'll get?
3.
And over here, what you'll get?
4.
Remainder. I'm talking about the remainder. And here, what you'll get?
Yes, 4.
5.
5.
Okay.
Ma'am, for 5, why will it not get 4?
Yeah. Whose question is that? Whose question is that?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Umema, ask me. Yeah. Oh, sorry. It's 4. Now is it fine? Now it's fine,
Yeah.
Umema?
I thought there was some.
No. Is it fine now? Is this part clear to everyone? If you'll solve this table by yourself, you'll come to know The remainder over here is not exceeding more than 4. Over here, it is not more than 5, not more than 3. So this is a trick to remember. Whatever divisor they have given you, and if they are asking you what would be the largest remainder for this divisor 16, so you can get it easily. That is 15. Is that clear?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Should we move ahead? Now look. Now
Yes.
comes chunking. We have done, look, till now we have done 2 methods how to do division. Which 2 methods we have done? Can anyone tell me? Humaira will tell me. That day she was
The
asking a lot of
number line.
No,
The
wait,
number line.
wait. I want Humaira to answer. Humaira, are you there? Humaira, you will answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What are the 2 methods of division we have done yet? Yeah. Why? What happened, Humaira?
Ma'am,
Okay.
can
I
I say?
I
Ma'am,
want
can I
Mariam to
say?
answer. Mariam, you answer.
Ma'am. What?
Mariam should answer. Yeah, Mariam, tell me.
What was the question?
The question is, what are the 2 division method that we have studied yet? Till now we have studied.
We did reducing the fraction.
Very
and
good,
number
very
line.
good. And second one, number line. Very good. Manha, I want you to answer. How did we do fractions? What were we doing in that? Yeah, Manha.
Yes.
What we were doing in fractions?
What
Don't remember.
means?
Means how we were solving it. If I give you a fraction like 4/8, how we were solving it?
Ma'am, may I?
What?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, how we were doing it. That is the reason you have not completed the assignment, you all. Simply, you
Ma'am?
need to see 4 and 8 goes in which table together? Which table? 4 and 8 is divisible by which number? 2's table? Okay, let's take 2's
Eight.
table. 2, how many is 4? Tell me. We write the quotient. Yeah, 2 and then 4.
4.
Now 2 and 4 are again divisible by 2. They come into
Yeah.
this table. Yes, I'll simplify again. So 2 ones are and then 2's are. What is the final answer? Now 1 and 2 does not go in
1, 2.
table. Yeah,
1 by 2.
1 by
1 by 2.
2.
That's it. Okay. Now, what was the second method? The second method was a number line method. Do you remember? Now, can anyone read this question
Yes.
for me?
Ma'am,
Which-
may I use a blank number line and knowledge of times table?
No. The question start from here. The question start from here. This is the
Okay.
question. Yeah.
Choose one number from each box.
Okay. This is one box and this is one box. You have to choose the numbers. Like this will become your dividend and this will become what? This will become what? Divisor. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
59 and 3.
You want to take that number?
Yeah.
What I'll suggest you, what I'll suggest you, it's 59,
Okay.
na? It's 59, na? Because things will get easy for you. I'll explain you. Okay, we'll take 59
Okay.
and 3 only. Okay, we'll take 59 and 3.
After that, we take a other number
Okay.
like 7.
But you have not read the second part of the question. Umaima, you need to read that.
Work out the answer in 3 jumps
Or
or fewer.
use a blank line and knowledge of timetables to help you. Now look, they have already given everything over here in your next page. Can you see? Can you see
Yes.
here? Yes, I'll just clear it out.
Then we choose 53.
Okay, which 2 numbers we have selected? Tell me. Which 2 number?
59 and 3.
53
59 divided by
3.
3.
Okay. Can we first check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not? We can check it. So we'll understand whether remainder will be
Yeah.
0 or something else. How can we
No,
check?
it is not divisible.
Sure.
And we have
Yes. How it is not
we have
divisible? Add 5 and 9. You have to add what? The difference.
5 and 9.
No, it's not divisible. It's 14. It's
14.
not
Wait.
divisible.
Everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. I want Yusuf to answer this. Yusuf, are you there? Yusuf, 59 is divisible by 3. My question to you is that. Yeah, Yusuf? 59 is divisible by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
How? How did you get that? Okay, Sidra. Sidra, answer. 59 is divisible by Yusuf. Listen it carefully. Yeah.
No.
Why?
No,
Give us the reason.
because
Yeah.
we added 5 and 9 is equal to 14 and
Yes.
14 is not divisible by 3.
Exactly.
15
Yes,
is there, not
Yes.
14.
14. Yes. So this is not divisible, na? Right? Am I
Yes.
right? Yes. So here you will get some remainder. The remainder won't be 0. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yeah.
I told you when
Yes.
a number is totally divisible by divisor, then the remainder is 0. Now we need to get that. Yeah.
And we don't have to write when it is totally divisible.
But true. We don't have to mention 0. That's what you mean, Umaima?
Yes.
Okay. Now my division method is what? My division
Number
method is what?
line.
Number line. I guess few kids have missed this. Who have missed it, I'm doing it again. Look how this has to be done. Please understand this number lines method. My working, I'm going down.
Okay.
Yeah. One, if you'll understand one sum, you can do other one by yourself. Okay, I have to now delete this again. Okay. So this is like, I choose number line method. I choose 15.
Ma'am, text it.
59. No, I'm more comfortable with this. 59
Oh,
divide by 3. And my division is number line. Okay, I'm writing it again. Okay. Now tell me, how should I do? I have done number line already with you. Am I right? I have done
Yes.
or not?
Yes.
How? 59. And they have told you, you have to only
in
take
3 jumps.
3 jumps or less than it, but not more than 3 jumps. We have to keep that
Yeah.
also in mind. Now tell me, how should I go? Anyone?
You have to
Ma'am, 59
Yeah.
is longer, sir. Let's
You
start
have to
with 3 times are 30.
Very good, Sidra. Very good. I appreciate a lot. It means she has understood. Look, instead of going 3, 3, 9, look, if I'll say, let me take 3, then 9. Are you understanding? If I'm taking 9, then 3, 3, how much is, sorry, 3 2s is 6, na? Wait, let me tell you what do I mean by this. If I'm writing here 3, then I'm writing 3 2s are 6. Then how many jumps it will be? Can anyone tell me? How many jumps it would be? Can anyone tell me? 3.
You only need 3 jumps.
Yes, and this is how much? This would be so
4.
much. So what am I doing? I cannot take this. Otherwise, my answer will be wrong. That is not according to the question given to me. I have to fulfill all the needs that is being given in the question. I have to do according to that. So what am I doing? Umaima, you were not there in number line section. Please understand this.
Yeah.
I know 3 tens is how much? Tell me 3 tens are.
30.
At least I will reach till 30 by one jump. At least
Yeah.
I'll reach at what? At 30 by one jump. And that one jump is made up of small steps of 10. Is that clear? Is that clear? You don't have to
Yes,
consider
ma'am.
this one. You don't have to consider this one. Just consider that one long jump is made up of 10 small steps. I landed up at 30. Now, how much I'm left with? I have to reach where? Which number I have to reach? Tell me.
59.
59. Now, can anyone tell me what should I do further? This is 30.
Now,
Yeah.
Now take a second jump of 33.
Yeah. So 33. Are you sure? Okay. Let me take. 11s are 33. Okay.
39.
33. Then what?
36.
36.
36.
But tell me one thing, beta. Is it going more than 3 jumps? Is it going?
Yeah.
So can I take this?
Going from 30
Can I take this?
to 40.
Then 39.
No.
Then what comes next?
42.
Then what comes? 42.
Then
Look.
39.
No, you cannot
Then
take this.
45.
Because how many jumps it would be? Tell me how many jumps it would be?
You
10.
directly take it from 30 to 42.
Yes. Yes. Who said that? And after 40, no, not even 42. What comes after 42? Tell me what comes after 42? And what comes after 45?
45.
45.
40. What comes after 40?
48.
40. Can I, and what about then after that? After that?
That was
51.
51. Then
52, 53,
Then
54.
54.
54. Then
57.
57. Then that is the last part. 57.
60.
Am I right? 57. Then 57 is the nearest to 7, na? Sorry, nearest to 59. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Man, take a
Yeah.
huge jump.
Yeah.
11
Wait.
jumps.
That's what I'm doing.
It's 11 jumps.
Let's erase this. Is it fine?
That 59 is not.
I will take the second jump directly at 57. Is it fine now? Now tell me,
Yes.
how many steps did I go for 57? Can anyone tell me?
Yes.
No, 20. No. 20?
Yeah, think.
Um,
Here we were on 10. No one?
27 jumps?
Yeah.
No, not 27.
This is the last part, then we will start with the sums. Huh? Okay. Can anyone tell me in how many jumps we have done that? No one? No, it was 9. 9 small steps making one jump. Okay. 9 small steps. If you counted, okay, if you want, I'll do it. Wait. What was after 30? Tell me.
33.
Come on. Keep going.
36.
Then
39.
Then
42.
yeah. Then
45.
then
48.
45. 48.
48. Yeah.
then
61. I said 51.
No,
then
55.
53.
57. Count this.
57.
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
How many?
11
9.
times. 11.
No, it's 9 times. How 11 times?
Like from 50,
Look,
from
look.
30 to 59.
1, 2, 3,
Ma'am, why don't you use a text
5,
box?
6, 7, 8, 9. How will I draw this in text box? Tell me, Muhammad Ali. Tell me, how will I draw this? Wait. If you're not understanding, wait. What I'll do is, I'll do it on the whiteboard. Is it fine?
I'm
Is it fine?
understanding.
If you're not, Muhammad Ali, I guess Muhammad Ali is not understanding anything. Am I right, Muhammad
I'm
Ali?
like this.
Show me. Okay, he's doing it for me. B. You have made B. Okay. But this part, then I have to take text box again, and then I have to do this thing, draw again. I'll keep doing that only. My whole session class will end in this only. Okay, so this was how many steps? This was how many steps? It was 9.
9.
And here it was 10. So what is my quotient? What is my quotient? 9.
19.
Remainder. I ended up over here. What is it? 57.
57.
So 59 minus 57 is how much? 59 minus 57 is how much? Minus 57. 2. So this is my answer. This is my answer. I got it through number line. Okay, chalo, we'll do one more. Okay, you want to play game or you want to, I should go ahead.
My voice.
Yes.
Okay, you don't want to do this. Okay, chalo, I'll stop.
Ma'am, you can hear my voice.
Who's this?
Umaira Wahid.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, it's network issue. That's why I could not hear your voice.
Okay. Yusuf, why your camera is off? Okay. Okay, I'm stopped.
Ma'am, do you know brain pop games?
Look, this part, wait. After the vacation, when we will be back, I'm going to do this. Huh? What I'll do, I'll ask you individually how to do a number line division. I'm going to ask you people only now. So I'll understand who is understanding and who is not. And if you're not, I'll repeat it again. Need not worry.
Okay.
Yeah. But you have to, something that you must have understood, right? What
I understood.
I know few kids have understood very well. I know that. Few kids have understood very well. Where is Muhammad Ali? Okay, he's there. Now, Humaira, for game, her network issue will be proper. I'm pretty sure. I can guarantee you. Yes.
Or we cannot use the game.
Yeah, start. Start. I have another class also, beta. Start. You have 10 minutes only.
When the link or what will
Ma'am, should I show you my game
Yeah.
which I made?
I just have 10 minutes, beta, because it's 11:42 and I have another class also. That's why.
Okay, I'll quickly tell.
Yeah.
First, take a number from
Everyone, wait, I'll
0
mute.
to
Wait, I'll mute
100.
everyone. Umaima, now you speak. Yeah, Umaima.
Yes. First, take a number from 0 to 100. I mean 1 to 100.
Okay, taken.
Now you take.
Who? Me, na? I have taken. Should I tell you
Which
the
one?
number? 12.
Yes. Okay. Now take a shape which has 12 sides.
बेटा मैं जाऊँ लाओ उसके लिए थोड़ा सा इधर रख ले तो अच्छा है।
Mute yourself, Muhammad Ali. Yeah, Umaima, can you repeat it?
Take a number. Take a shape.
Okay, take a shape. Taken. Square.
Okay, then
Square.
square. Okay. Now there are 4 sides of a square.
True.
So now what do you do is that take one more shape that if you add the sides, it will be 12.
Okay, one more shape. Octagon.
Okay. How many sides are in octagon?
8.
8. Yes.
Yeah, 8 plus
8
4 is 12.
and 4. 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Done.
I'm done. Am I right?
Yes. Well done.
Okay, that was nice. Okay, so the person has to know that
This is the shape which has 16 sides.
16 sides. Decagon, I know till 10. After 11, I have no idea. You have idea? You have idea?
I also don't know. That's why I'm asking.
But if Umaima, if anybody takes a number like 33 and 34. Okay, Umaima? Yeah. And the shape is
Yes.
let's take triangle, right? Triangle.
Yes.
So triangle has 3 shapes. So 33, if
Yes.
he has taken, then where he will get the shape of 30 sides? Are you understanding?
And they can take how many our shapes more
Okay,
than-
okay. Understood. Like I had 8 remaining, so I would have taken 2 squares or rectangle. Like that?
Yes.
Okay.
You can
Nice
take
game.
more than 5, 6,
Okay.
like that.
Understood. Yeah, Sidra.
Another number which has 16 sides.
Which one? Which is it? 2 times octagon.
But no,
Then?
hexadecagon.
Hexa has 6.
No, hexadecagon.
Yeah, hexadecagon. You have to add hexa and decagon is 10. So hexadecagon. Look, Mohammad Ali, she got the answer. Mohammad Ali.
What?
Hexa, you said for 16 sides, no? Hexadecagon. Right?
Hexadecagon.
Yes. So for 18,
30.
octadecagon. For 18, you can say octadecagon. For 17, you can say heptadecagon. Right? Do you know, if you don't know till 10, this thing, 10 names of the
Just
shape,
6.
10 sides.
16 sides is hexadecagon.
Yes. So 17 would be heptadecagon. Manha, do you have something? Yeah, Manha?
No.
No?
And then what about a shape with 18 sides? What is
18
it called?
sides. Octadecagon. Right? Octadecagon.
Then 91,
Ma'am,
Yeah.
there's even a
No,
shape
no.
with 20 HIs. Its name is
Octadecagon.
octadecagon.
Octadecagon. I'm sure this could be the number. Octadecagon. Look, I'm getting the names of the shapes. I'm making the name.
Ma'am, but that's really difficult. How can a shape has 20 sides, 21, 90 like that?
They have it. It's like a continuous shape. 2 more shapes together joined to form that. It's not like a single 2 or 3 shapes together joined to form that. It's in
And which
mostly
shape is has 100 corners?
molecule of a like it's in the science. Right now I cannot explain you that. Okay, chalo. Anything else? And Humaira, you have any question? Yeah, Humaira. Humaira. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you want to say anything? You
Ma'am?
said
No,
left.
I didn't have anything.
Okay.
Ma'am, do you know which shape has 1 billion signs? I know.
Which is
It's
it?
really easy.
Which is it?
Circle, and circle is also called a megagon. Circle.
Circle is got what?
Megagon.
No. What did you say? Which shape has a billion?
Billion sides, like
Okay.
megagon.
Fine. Chalo.
Ma'am,
Happy with you.
heptagon
I'll
has
take a.
100 sides.
Okay, Umayma. Now should I leave? You all can leave. Happy vacation. Take care of yourself. Be safe also. Okay, and enjoy also at the same time. Chalo. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Nice. It was
Bye.
nice session. Bye.
Bye.